press play. Game dev magic brewing, it's launch day. Godot engine power, building worlds so bright. Pixel dreams and coding, lighting up the night. Tune in now, it's starting soon. Level up, we reach the moon. Free of forge, it's time to shine. In our world, it's game dev time. Heroes rise from pixels, every quest awaits. Destiny is calling, open up the gates. XP points for gaining in this epic stream. Every challenge conquer, crafting every dream. Tune in now, it's starting soon. Level up, we reach the moon. Free of forge, it's time to shine. In our world, it's game dev time. Heroes rise from pixels, every quest awaits. Destiny is calling, open up the gates. XP points for gaining in this epic stream. Every challenge conquer, crafting every dream. Tune in now, it's starting soon. Level up, we reach the moon. Free of forge, it's time to shine. In our world, it's game dev time. In the land of cowboys, redneck dreams come true. Through pixelated skies, where Mario flies to. Build your world of blocks, Minecraft wakes the night. Dances on the island in the Fortnite light. Freedom Forge, we code the dream. Indigo, we scheme the scene. From the west to pixel streams, game worlds more than what they seem. Wild horses run, we ride. Coins and bricks side by side. Crafting realms to explore. Battle Royale and more. Pixels paint the canvas. Stories form the heart. Every game a journey. Artistry's the start. Freedom Forge, we code the dream. Indigo, we scheme the scene. From the west to pixel streams, game worlds more than what they seem.
Shout out to Lieutenant Conker for being the very first one here. The one who came like 5 minutes more before we even started. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The stream! Woo! Yay! I don't know if you guys can tell. I was hoping we get Freedom Forge Studios game before Half-Life 3. Oh, we will. Don't worry. Don't worry. This game will be done before Half-Life 3. For sure. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I have like crazy bags under my eyes today. I am absolutely and utterly exhausted. I might be getting sick. But know what that means? It just means it's another obstacle for us to overcome as we're trying to learn how to do game dev. That's all it is. We plow through it. Well, I hope it does, because we get So many hints on Half-Life 3 from Valve in the past 36 hours. Wait, really? There's no way that they're trolling. I know they said it was confirmed, but... No. Valve didn't say anything. They're saying leaks, but I doubt it. I'm doubting it. Half-Life 3 may have just been announced by a voice actor who probably has never heard of Steam. Part of me hopes Half-Life 4 and right after the leaks, Valve started sales on the Half-Life games. Dang. I guess it's true. Half-Life 3 confirmed. Interesting. Interesting. You know, I have not actually played any of the Half-Life games. I just know a lot about them from researching, because I kept hearing the meme of Half-Life 3 confirmed. And I was like, what is this game even about? So I just looked into it. But today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we got some super thrilling and exciting content for you today. Freedom Forge Studios confirmed today. You darn tootin'. We got some very exciting stuff planned. Are you 2002 born? Heck no. I was born pre-2000s. Pre-2000s. So, what is this music we're listening to? I clicked on a random playlist, and it's... it's alright. Really, we just need better music. That's what we need. 2000, I said pre-2000s. I was born in the 1900s. The 1900s. Whoa, Robert, I'm off the market. I'm sorry, buddy. Listen, it's not you, it's me. 2000 max? No, I was born in 1998. 98. That makes me neither a Gen Zer or a millennial. That makes me my own generation. It's like 97 to like 2000 are like their own thing. Why one girl when you can have two? Listen, just because there's a goalie doesn't mean you can't score. But also, I don't even have one girl. We're dedicated to this business. Aren't you a bit old for games? What are you talking about, Robert? Are you old for games? Aren't you old for games? I don't think anyone can be too old for games. Also, I think ads are going on right now. No, they can't be, because it would have showed. Weird. What is going on here? Rootski. Like Nate. Hello. My grandma plays Snake on her Nokia. She's nearing 90. You know, you don't have to tell us everything about yourself. I haven't told you everything about myself yet. What do you mean? Why? Is there something else you want to know, Robert? Sounds like there is. All right, we're going to get the buttons going today. The buttons. This guy right here. And this one. Wait. Oh, never mind. Ah, there are ads. There are ads. These ads are meant to stop the pre-rolls from happening. Run words together. I got you. I got you. Words. Twitch. Got it. Pixelated skies. Mario flies too. Pictures based canvas. Stories. Oh, that's loud. On the heart. Art Street. Yeah, that was very loud. I agree. Howdy, Jax. Howdy, howdy. Listen, while we're doing that, I also need to run a monkey type. My my energy today, team. Not my energy, but my capacity to work has been dwindled. I've been nerfed today. I got nerfed. Intellect is 2 L's, silly goose. Dang. What is lint? Lint is like lint, like stuff that comes off clothing. Or the stuff that's probably in your belly button. Yeah, that fuzzy stuff in your pocket. That's also lint. Wow, we did really, really bad. Like, really bad. We're not even going to look at that. I got to warm up. We got 6 seconds left. I leads... Oh, geez. Each also while play of under 4 system as last. Welcome back, everyone. I hope the ads treated you well. Oh, man. We're real slow today. Real slow today. We're just trying to warm the fingers up, you know? Warm the fingers up for some next level programming coming in. Each back, head, what thing, much I own, much. General face, oh geez. I just really that word got botched. Run, hold, another light, oh geez. Fact, open, not on, they, such, would, show, so, place, rum, scene. Oh, it wasn't rum, was it? House, follow, line, set, oh, this is also not going good. That's really... Anywho, buttons. So, team, we're going to use our mouse today. I was watching... Earlier today, I was watching something about NeoVim. And I've decided I am not going to be doing... I'm not going to switch to... or use NeoVim or any of that stuff until I just learn... GD script. Once I learn GD script, then I can start branching off to all the fancy other tools. But oh boy, right now our bottleneck, because what I've learned is programming is about efficiency. It's about min-maxing. It's a video game basically, and we're going hardcore. And to go hardcore in programming, you need to use, you should only be typing, really, to get the maximum efficiency. But we're not even close to being able to do that yet. All right, so this is what we're going to do. As always, we're going to close all the tabs. Bam. We're going to keep the UI open, close that, close that, close that, close that. Actually, we probably shouldn't have closed the upgrade button. Oh well, it's too late. It's been closed. We'll go back to it. So we want the upgrade window control, and we are gonna want the button. Spells, stats, health bars, HUDs. Should be under. Oh, maybe it's under menus. Upgrade button scene. Here we are. Okay. So what's going on here, team? Is we have the scene for the base stat. Now, when we press on pressed level up, it should take our stat and add a level to it. What that should do in turn is now, why are you guys open? We were just closing you. Holy moly. What it should do is close everything. Or not close. Whoa, words. For some reason, when I work at my game, I feel like I took too long to finish that, and it won't make the game in time, as I'm heading for a release in 3 weeks. If I work efficiently, it's 100% going to be done in time. Wait, Aaron, you're trying to make a game in 3 weeks? Like a completed game from scratch, or something you've been working on? Because I don't think you're going to be able to... I mean, listen, I ignorantly thought that this game would be done in like a couple months. Hey, how's the refactoring going? We have finished and defeated the refactoring boss for now. It's going to rear its ugly head again soon at some point. But for now, we are working on some magical buttons here. Real magic buttons. That is what we're working on. Congrats. Yeah. Now, I've been working on for 2 weeks so far, and not full release, just a demo, like a playtest. A playtest demo in a total of 5 weeks? Okay. I mean, it depends. What kind of game are you making again, Aaron? Is it like a... What kind of game is it? Also, little note for you guys. I want you to do me a huge favor during this stream. When y'all notice that I use a filler word, what I'm trying to target today for this stream. So for those of you who don't know, I rewatch the streams and then I try to target one aspect to improve on for the next stream. Today's goal. Also, I should probably change that goal, actually. Buttons. Today's goal for the stream is to not extend the words like we were doing. And it's kind of a two-parter here. Try not to extend the words out to fill dead space, but also to not use filler words, or as few filler words as possible, which is very difficult. Man, I try not to put an expectation of timeframes for builds. You never know when you're going to trip over a much harder to implement feature. That's facts. I mean, putting a time frame for builds, I think, is important, but you do need to be flexible, and it kind of comes over time, where the more, at least this is what I'm finding, is the more time you start putting in, the more you kind of have a realistic view of how long something's actually going to take you. I already have everything for my game planned. Well, Aaron, I have everything for this game pretty much planned, but there's things that I thought I had everything planned for this game, but there have been things that appear as we're programming that we look back at the game design document and we're like, oh no, this doesn't actually, we can't implement this properly, or by implementing this, it's actually really boring instead. So even if you do have the plan's going to change. The plan is going to change. Right, but like you never know how hard something's going to be to code until you actually implement it in on stage device. Yeah. And everything I've planned can be done easily with set active lines and all that. See, that's what I thought as well. It's just a basic first-person game, not shooter, but similar to an RPG, but not too RPG. I'm not sure. That sounds quite there's a little bit more in there that I think is going to pop up. Because this game was ideally not too RPG, but now it's kind of morphed into a more RPG type thing. Trust me, if your game is even 10% RPG, it's deeper than you're thinking. For sure. For sure. I mean, just look at our stats that we did. Oh, yuck. Let's get rid of this. Just look at our stats. Our stats in themselves. We'll go to over game manager. Nope, not game manager. Stats. Our stats alone took us in total, with the amount of reiterations we've done with the stats, I would say our stats themselves took us about 3 to 5 hours of broken work, for sure. But yeah, not to discourage. Definitely not to discourage. Just it helps being more realistic with your time frames. And at this point, I've kind of if your game is 1% RPG, it's insane. Yeah. That's something I'm learning, is time frames are very difficult to guess unless you are very, very well experienced. But even then, there's devs on Twitch that are phenomenal, extraordinarily talented, extraordinarily intelligent. And yet you see them, they're working on their game for 3, 4, 5 years. When they originally thought, oh, this is only going to take me a year, maybe 2. But it turns out it lasts much more than that. Much more. Where's my music? Did my music pause? What the? It muted. Okay. Weird. Yeah, and like modified stats and conditionally modified stats and growth factors for leveling, blending resources and nodes effectively, UI management. It's a rabbit hole. It rabbit holes real fast. Indeed. We haven't even, that's the thing, our polishing's going to take us another half of the full game. So at least another 4 weeks just to polish the game. That means getting the UI looking good and all that. Although I do think it will be faster once we get the mechanics down first. Mechanics first, then we go. All right. So, those are our base stats. We're looking at the button here. Upgrade button. Actually, let's go to the player UI here. And let's go to the defense button's not really going to do anything. The range upgrade button here. Failed to set a resource of type attack range stat resource because this editor resource picker only accepts base stat and its derivatives. Stats. Base stat. There we go. We fixed it. Is it accepting base stat? Yeah, stats, base stat. Perfect. Now we come back over here and we want to set this is for the range upgrade. So the value is currently 10. Ah, Sammykins. Hello. Ugh. Ugh. Whew. Okay. Thunk. Yo, what up, Wolfric? We got... So our base of our range upgrade starts at level 0 in the array. And it scales 1, 2, 3, 4 times, I think. Oh, Ferric. Another 360. Listen, team. Oh. We need to let the caffeine do its job. Let it kick in. You know what I had to eat today? I had not 1, but 2 bowls of ramen. 2. Pretty crazy. You want focus time? No. You can save your points. I suggest I'm done trolling. But no, I would suggest saving your points for coming up on the 20th, which I really need to start planning that out properly. We have a lot of events coming up that I just need to plan. A lot. 100k spins. Yeah, I don't know about that one, Chief. I don't know about that one. All right, so let's look at our range upgrade button here. We are setting the icons. So let's go to, and we have an array size of 4 for now. And the values of each are going to be at 0, values 10. And then we go to 15, 20. 10, 15, 20, and we'll just do 25 for now. We just want to make the button work. Upgrade costs. Size, we don't need a 10. We need 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Easy enough. All right, level max doesn't matter for now. Minimum, I guess minimum is 10. Save. So now when it levels up, it should level things up, I hope. On pressed, stats.level up. And then we also need to have it remove our resources from our inventory, which is another whole thing. Let's see if it just levels it up first. That's the first key. So we're working on range. So when we click it, range. Okay, it's clearly not working. Interesting. On button pressed, it's giving us errors. So let's see what these errors are. Read the errors, team. Just finished my merchant system, and it's ready to implement, and I'm terrified it's not gonna wire in right. Yikes. All right, what happened here? It expected pressed to callable, button upgrade button, on pressed, method expected 1 argument, but received 0. So it expects to receive an argument here. Level up. Level? Let's try it this way. Expected 0, but received 1. Interesting. Interesting. What's the level up function expecting? That's a good question. What is the level up function expecting? Let's check. It's on our stats here. On our base stats. Level up isn't really expecting anything.
For a lot of savings, she bundles her home and
4.
auto insurance with USAA. Putting more money back in her pocket? That's
Skip that ad. So Level Up is expecting a function level up, no argument. Then we say if the level is greater than or equal to 4, then we just return, so it ends it. Otherwise, we're adding 1 to the level. And then our value, which is up here, our value equals our level scale, at our level, which should be the value here. Is the signal giving an argument you're not handling? Which signal is this responding to? So when we press the button to level up, check the debug. We did, and it said that it's just expecting 1 argument, but is called with 0. But I don't even think it needs to expect anything, right? It's just when we press it, it uses this function to level up. So what if we delete the argument? Right, remove level. Now we hit play. Well, that's wild. Yeah, everything's wild over here. Oh, now it broke. Invalid get index 4. Okay, good. So it's upgrading, but it's not showing that it's upgrading. What I mean by that is we come over here again. Let's open this up. Range is 5. Press the button. Our range is still 5, but it leveled up. So let's also print on level up. Let's print the level scale. Level. When you call Han, where's your UI update code? Is it by signal? Yes, the UI update should be, I believe the way we set it up was over here, upgrade control window. And oh, we did not. Set cost, stats.defense, next upgrade cost. That's for defense, though. Let's just delete this line. Actually, instead of deleting this line, let's do stats.attack range. Range, attack, is it range or attack range? Range. Range. Okay. Save. Yeah, you might not be telling the UI to update your level when the stats updated. Right. Right. I don't believe we are. Well, no, we are. The value is what changes. Current value changed. Dot emit. So we need to connect. Wait. No, that's when this changes. So then we come back to the UI here. And when value changed, actually, upgrade window. So maybe in the ready, we need to do when value changed, upgrade the, or not upgrade, when on value changed, we have to change the label text. And the label text is being set by what? So apparently it's not getting set by its control. Did we even update the label text yet? I don't think we did. Okay, we didn't even make anything update the text. That's why. So we're just missing a lot of stuff. That's why it's not working. Boom. 15, 20. Yeah, so it's upgrading. Yep, and then it breaks. Perfect. And there's why you don't put harsh timetables on your implementation. So we know it's upgrading, but now we need to update whenever we level up. So what we can do, go to our upgrade window. This updates the cost. Because sometimes you realize you're missing like a chunk of what you need to have. Yes. Yes. We just didn't add it yet. That's all. That is all. So what we can do here is I guess we have to set the labels because we never did. Although we did set the labels in upgrade control window. No, wait, we do have it in the... Here it is. Nope, that's all the visibles. Stats panel. Here it is. These are the cheats. These are the labels. So it sets our labels to whatever our stats are on set labels. But, and then we have update stats. So maybe what we do is emit on level up and then update the stats from there. You can have your UI listen for custom signals of that stat being updated if you want, right? But we want to do the individual stats because we don't want to be updating all of the stats for efficiency purposes or optimization. So we want it to update just the individual stat that changed. Out of curiosity, you don't set your get references to variables for use later. We usually do, or we set them as unique. But we just didn't in this case because we're just trying to get it all to work, and then we're gonna come back through and refactor it later. For right now, the goal is just get it to work. So, what we can do here, team, is on GUI, that's when we press it. So this is all the dirt. Level up. Yeah. Attack range level up. And then it updates it. So this is what we need under our stat. I wonder if there's a way to put this in where maybe not. What I was thinking is if we could figure out a way to put this in just built into the upgrade button. So it takes that stat, but I don't think that's a thing. Yeah, that's not a thing. So what we can do is on pressed stats.level up. Now we go to the stats.level up here, level up, and we can emit a signal. Wait, we have a signal for current value changed. So when this changes, we already have the signal for it. Current value changed, emit. And this is changing our current value. So current value changed. Oh man, does that mean we're gonna have to make a new function for each of these to update the labels on value changed? I wonder. Or I wonder if we just do in the ready here. If we say stats. Oh wait, no. It's stats dot value or current value changed. I don't like that it's not auto completing. Connect set labels player as character body 3D. Expected closing. Why is there no closing? Connect is a close. That closes. So why are you being dumb? Maybe just do player. That's a closing bracket there. Maybe don't do a bracket here. Make it callable. Player not declared in current scope. Player as character body 3D. Expected closing bracket after call arguments. But there is a closing bracket.
The jingle man's Benny Blanco.
Yeah. When you're making a jingle, you can't rush.
Pick up the guitar. Dunkin' iced. Tastes real nice.
Set labels. Also, why there's so many freaking YouTube ads? This is absurd. 35 minutes, and we've hit what? 1, 2, 4? Like about 4 ads? That's wild. Okay, that doesn't work. Current value changed. Dot connect. Set labels. What if we just make it callable? I don't think it's gonna work, but I think it's worth an attempt. In hopes that I am wrong. Yep, no, never mind. Invalid index, current value changed on stats resource. Okay. So we do have to label the exact stat that we're changing. Ugh. Okay. So it'd have to be stats.attackRange.current value changed. So let's just see if it works. Attack range dot current value change dot connect set labels. And then we will need to make that the function, not as a callable. Yep. Wait, invalid index current value changed on base nil? Current value changed. Stats attack range, current value changed. Current value changed. And it has to be a new value. Current value change. Set labels. Player as character body 3D. Expected closing after argument. But, oh, because I need to do one more. That closes the connect. But it doesn't like that still. I don't see set labels. That's its own. There's the connect. This one. And this one. Huh. What if I don't give it an argument? Too few arguments. At least one, but receive 0. What if we do game manager.player.stats? All right, let's try it. Nope. Invalid stats on base nil. That means we're always having this exact same problem where our stats are not loading first. That is the problem we've been constantly having. How do we make it so the very first thing that loads is our character and its stats? If we go to our, let's see, let's go to the game manager. Game manager. That's for pause. Var player. Go to the global. This is where it's actually set. Could just pre-check if you provided the character stats, because it's not loaded until on ready. What do you mean by pre-check? Stats dot attack range dot current value changed dot connect. I don't like the way this is doing it though. Something's not right. What if we just do player? If not stats, push error, character stats not provided. Oh, okay, this is still, that worked, but this is still not. Oh, what if we do... But we couldn't do player because that's not labeled anything, and we can't do player as character body 3D because then it expects a closing bracket after call arguments, which we already have all the closing brackets. Unless it wants another bracket here. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, no, that don't make no sense. All the brackets. Nope. Unless it's bracket, set labels, bracket, parentheses. Nope, that ain't it either. What if we just do character body 3D? Nope. This is a tough one. Stats. Dot attack range.
When you bundle home and auto,
Dot
things
current value
happen.
changed.
You get a local
That's
agent who can
another
help you choose the
ad.
right company.
Holy moly. Skip that. Attack range. Dot current value change. Dot connect set labels. Howdy, that gamer. Howdy, howdy. Welcome to us being very, very, very lost. You would think it's set labels, but it's not. What if we just put this in? Assignment not allowed. Yeah, I didn't think so. That was a shot in the dark. If you just wrote set labels and added the argument to the function, you can then use it. Yeah, that's what we did, but it didn't work. Set labels and then added the argument to the function. The function already has an argument. So then we set the argument of set labels to connect set labels instead of calling it manually. Right, but this isn't going to work because it's going to expect an argument but not receive one. Current value changed on base. No, okay, never mind. It's just having the same issue as we were having, which is the stats are not loading before this is loading. So how do we make it that the player's stats auto load? What if we made the player an auto load? Would that break things? Or would that just not be efficient? Because if we make the player an auto load, then... Oh wait, signal set player. Wait. Where is set player? Control F. Set player. Oh, we're not even calling that signal. So maybe if we emit right here and we do... Wait, player UI, player spawned. What is this? Player spawned. Yo, Magnetonics, how you doing? Character body, player spawned. This is in our player UI. And we set our labels when the player spawned. Pretty good. Procrastinating my work today, so I'm gonna have to grind this afternoon. Woo. That's fair, that's fair. We are just in Struggle Town. In Struggle Town. We should reflect that in our stream info here. Magic buttons. Welcome to Struggle Town. Yeah. I went for regular check to the doctor and then made an appointment at the psychologist. Hey, Bushmeta, maybe you need it. Maybe you need it. When are you not in Struggle Town? That's a great question. I feel like I'm the mayor of Struggle Town now. The mayor. No, you don't need it, Bush. Then if you don't need it, you don't need it. But it seems as though they think you need it. So I don't know. Ugh. Okay. Player, character body 3D. So this is when the player spawns. Function player spawned. I wonder if we can call this function in a different script. Or maybe make this function a signal. So when it sets the labels, then we set the stats. That's a lot of confusing signals, though, that we would have to do. And it's a lot of breakpoints as well, like points that could potentially make the game blow up. But this is a signal in itself. It's saying when it changes, then we set the labels to reflect that. Update stats. What if we do that? What if we do update stats as a callable? It's still gonna have the same issue though. Same exact issue. Yep, same issue. So we need to figure out how to get our stats to basically be the first thing that the engine loads. Our workarounds have been, this is where we set the game manager to player. They knew you were an Arch Linux user. Oof. Just load them first. Yes, yes. But doctors are sick. Are they? I don't know about putting the player on an auto load. I don't know. Doc asked if I'm okay, and I said I am okay, since I'm not taking drugs. And then you should, I mean, if you're not taking it. She said, okay. I'm making you an appointment. Wait. I'm picturing this is your conversation. The doc says, hey, Bush Meta, are you okay? And then you say, I'm okay since I'm not taking drugs. And then she goes, I'm making you an appointment. Is she like concerned that you're not taking drugs? If there's anything I learned from elementary school, it is dare. Don't do drugs. Resist drugs and violence. The drug abuse resistance education. I was on regular check like blood pressure and stuff. Blood pressure. Oh, so maybe you're just downing too much caffeine, Bush Meta. I know, especially if you have like an early morning appointment and you just downed caffeine, your blood pressure is going to be high. And then most doctors will see that and be like, whoa, this is unusual. And if they don't ask you if you like have had caffeine, because caffeine will raise your blood pressure, then they'll be very concerned. Because your blood should not be doing that by like normally. Your blood pressure. I had only 150. I don't remember what's considered a high and low blood pressure. Safe ranges for blood pressure. We've turned into a health stream now. Just so you guys know. Here we go. We'll look at the UK. High blood pressure is 140, 150, 160. Yeah, listen. It looks like you're in some high blood pressure ranges. That's some high blood pressure. Yikes. Yikes, yikes. Go see a doctor, guys. It's fine. It's fine. What are the... This is not medical advice. Yes, this is not medical advice whatsoever. I am not a trained professional. I am not a trained doctor. So you should not listen to me on medical advice. Yes, that's the words. They're just tripping out. Potentially, or maybe there is something wrong. Maybe there's something that they're not telling you because they don't want to scare you. Yes, we should have a disclaimer everywhere that don't listen to the things I say. Take everything I say with a grain of salt and do your own research. Yep. Alright, but psychologists, dude. What about psychologists? I am not a trained psychologist. I just do a lot of research and read and have experiences. And I can only speak on behalf of those experiences. Like, why should I go there? Maybe they think something... Well, wait, yeah, why would your blood pressure get you to go to a psychologist? Maybe they think you're full of anger, and that's why you have high blood pressure. Maybe you just need to chill out. Take a chill pill. I laughed at the doctor. Yeah, they tend not to be very fond of people laughing at them. I will say that. Are you supposed to be taking meds already? That's a good question. Nah. Yeah, I have a spicy take on medications through my own experiences. But we can save that take for a little later time, because right now we are programming. Absolutely programming. Focus on code. Exactly, Bush Meta. Thank you. Focus on code. And all I'm doing right now is cleaning the code because I don't know how the heck to do this. So the problem we're at right now, team, is we need to solve the reoccurring problem, our most reoccurring problem, which is the player its stats are not being set off the bat when the game compiles. That's an issue. So it's something to do with our auto load scripts. Our auto loads are the global, the game manager, and the player UI. I almost think we need to do maybe in the game manager, instead of setting the player to self. I don't know actually. Let's see. Ready? All it's doing is it's setting our process node to always, and then our unhandled input is just our pause. That's all it's doing. in the game manager. Is there a way we can just... What if we do, instead of var player, we do var player equals, and then load the summoner scene. That would just make us load in the center, wouldn't it? Because if we load the player scene from the auto load, then it would set its own stats, being the before everything, right? Explain. Oh my lord. I still cannot type right now. Let's sit up straight. Fix the camera. Because we're not hunching. Sit up straight. What is Godot Assistant? It's a chat GPT that is trained on all of the Godot docs. Is it on OpenAI? Yeah. ChatGPT has they have a feature where you can use community made GPTs, and people make them for like all sorts of things that specialize in certain areas. So for example, the Godot Assistant has been specially trained on all things Godot. All things Godot. So it's being trained on the Godot docs. Just found it, yeah. It's pretty cool. It is still kind of not great. Like, it won't spit out amazing code, but it's good at explaining things. So explain to me as if I was in 5th grade, how do auto loads work, and how do they... Was it affect or effect? I think it's affect. Affect. Affect or effect? I think it's A. How do they affect loading order when starting up a game? And we got ads coming in 1 minute, so we will chuck back on the words, and when y'all return, we will have a beautiful story written. Oh yeah, a beautiful story about a Lego city coming up. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Y'all are in for a real treat. Real treat. Let's pop up the words, restart, and let's beat level 1. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I don't want... Okay, let's not do this one. There we go. Oh, I changed... Sorry, Aaron, I changed the thing. I was like, I already knew what a couple of the words were. I weren't fond of the words. Hort. Theory. There we go. A Roth IRA. Thought it didn't register. Oh no, it did. Trying to steal my words. Yoked. I already did. Wait, did I do they? But I did. Yeah, I did. I did. Come on, guys. Wow. We did not do ideal here, team. Did not do ideal. Oh. I need a hero. Calling up for a hero. There are other ones? There's a lot of... Transfer in a sticker collecting mission. Make the deal. Yeah, that was a very difficult words. Let's do the next one. Oh my. Oh my. They did not want to go easy on us here. Oh wait, there's no... Oh my. Are we just dumb? Is that what's going on here? Are we just not good with words? Catalog. Oh, nuts. Oh, wait. Coat. Welcome back from ads, everyone. We are just dealing with one of the hardest level ones I think I have ever seen. It's got to be 4 letters. 4 letters, at least. Coal. Goal. Yikes. Yikes, team. We are getting absolutely obliterated today. Okay, story time. Let me water up real quick. Imagine you're building a Lego city and you have a special toolbox that you always need to have ready because it has all the important pieces you use all the time. In Godot, this special toolbox is like an auto load. What are auto loads? Wow, the delay is a little crazy. Delay is a little crazy here. Auto loads are scripts or scenes that are always available anywhere in your game. Think of them as helpers that you can use anytime, no matter which part of the game you are working on. They help you keep important tools or information ready to use, just like your special toolbox for Lego. How do they work? Setting up auto loads. You go to project settings, I already know how to do that, using We already know how to do that. How do autoloads affect loading order? When you start your game, Godot loads these autoloads first. Like when you open your LEGO City project, and the first thing you do is grab your special toolbox and put it right beside you. This way, everything in the toolbox is ready for you to start building. So in Godot, the load order, autoloads are loaded at the very beginning, even before the main scene of your game. This ensures that any important tools or information in the autoloads are ready to use right from the start. Okay. I really think we need to put... Well, we can't put our player in the autoload, though. Because if our player loads before the world, then our player's just gonna fall through the world, right? And we can't load... What if we load the stats? We auto-load character stats, the resource. So we make this an auto-load. Then that way, stats will be loaded. And we can use this tool in our LEGO toolbox. I wonder if that would fix anything. Let's try it. Let's try it. Stats. Node name. Oh wait, no, that's not it. I have no idea how it works. Yeah, I think... I don't know either. I mean, besides what we just talked about. Open. Call it character stats. Add. Can't add autoload. Invalid name. Must not collide with existing global script class name. Char stats. Add. Now, let's see what happens when we hit here. Invalid. So if we do... What if we do char stats? Now we hit play. Invalid index attack range. That's because our base stats isn't auto-loaded. Aw, man. Oh man. Project settings, let's delete this. Maybe in our game manager. No. That doesn't make sense either. We're trying to solve a problem that apparently is like a major problem for all game devs, which is the loading order. So we could do the character stats and the... No. We don't want to do that. I think this is only because the way you write code. I see. Well, I have zero experience with Godot. See, that's the thing. I mean, obviously, yeah, it has something to do with the way we write code. But the big thing is the way that it interprets the code. And specifically in the order it does so. And so what's going on is we're struggling to call certain things to happen. Because we don't have... Because it hasn't been loaded yet, or loaded properly yet. Like here, that actually worked. So what if we do, I mean, this is so bad, but await get tree dot create timer for 1 second dot timeout. And now it should wait a sec, wait 60 frames. And within those 60 frames, maybe it fixes itself. So it should be 10. No, range is still 5. Range. Okay, so it's still scaling up, but it's not showing. So if so, that's an optimization issue. Right, it is. Most certainly is. We just don't even know. I mean, this made it work better, but instead of update stats, let's set labels, save, and now what this should do is actually set the label. Let's see. Range. Click it once. Our range is 5. Nope, it's still not setting the labels. Level up. Stats panel. It's not changing our value, that's why. It's just changing the level. And the level should change the value. Right. So let's delete all that. The level should change the value. So when we do stats.levelup, which is here, stats.levelup, it's not changing our value. Value equals whatever, new value. No, we are changing the value right here. Value equals Captain Enosa. Howdy. I haven't seen you in a minute. How you doing? Welcome to Struggle Town. Value equals level scale on our level. Based on our level. Huh. Yeah, I've been busy. Ooh. But I always find my way back. Let's go. Yeah. For those of you who don't know, Captain Enosa has some pretty good push-up form as well, and even takes it to a level up and does 20 push-ups. Although I think he's got a timer on the push-ups, but we can work on that. So what we're doing here is we're trying to solve one of the biggest issues in game deving, which is loading order. Oh boy. Yeah, getting jacked. I swear, I say it all the time, but I'm convinced within the next set of years, having nice form on push-ups ain't hard. You'd think that, Bush Meta. You'd think that. But I'll be real. I've seen this. Oh, I just ripped my headphones out. This is what I've seen multiple times. I've seen this from other streamers. I'm not going to mention who, but I've seen. Oh, wait. What up? Whew. Yeah, Just knocked out 50 push-ups. No biggie. Captain Enosa, holy. But yeah, I have seen that far too many times. Far too many times. That's what I did yesterday in the end. Hickatile, come on. Come on. Man, oh man. Whew. That was 45? Okay. Try Sphinx push-ups. I need to look up what that is. Sphinx push-up. Watch a little tutorial on it. Oh, we got Kung Fu Panda ad. That's good. Sphinx push-up. Oh. It's just you're doing it on your arms instead? You used to love those? Hang on. Hang on. I swear, today's been mostly a health stream here. So you're supposed to just do... I'm like, I don't get that. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. It feels weird on my elbows. It just feels, it doesn't feel right. I'm sliding too much. And it's pushing it's putting like, what's the word? Pressure on my elbows. I don't know. I don't like it. Nope. Interesting. I don't like it. Yeah. What is supposed to be the benefit of those over your standard? And your butt was too high? Yeah, it probably was. I was trying to, because when I started to go down, I was like pushing myself outward. Do you like 20 to 30 you will feel? Oh yeah, I don't doubt I will feel it. I mean, I feel pain in my elbow right now. Not pain, but like, I feel it. Like right here. And I don't think I'm supposed to feel something there. I don't know. That's peculiar. We don't like them. I don't like them. I'm happy with the standard push-ups, maybe some wide arm. Maybe we get into diamonds later. I used to be able to do one-handed. Those are fancy. Diamonds are great, yeah. Yeah. Alright. Back to game devin here, team. We're getting distracted today. We're getting too distracted. I can do one-handed. That's awesome. That's awesome. I don't know if I can anymore. I've yet to try it. Alright. Value. So we're changing the value to the level scale, and that level scale is based on our level. So if our level is like 2, then it should use the value of that as our new value. And then because our value changed, it should emit a signal saying that our value changed. And because that signal's emitted, we should where do we do it though? Upgrade window control. So maybe we do it here in our upgrade window control. No, because this is just for our upgrade window. We want it in our stats the stats panel. Yeah. So then what we should do is stats dot attack range dot current value change dot connect, and then set labels. So when Yeah, so when our value changes, it will trigger and it'll reset our labels. And it will be setting it, so for the real one it should be doing is this. Oh. Dot value. Save. I think that's why. That might be why. Nope. Oh no. The same issue as before. Stats on base nil. Oh man. So we're gonna have to do our cheating way here. Await get tree dot create timer for a second dot timeout. Just to make sure this works. All right. So we head over here. And just double checking. Our range is 5. Press the button. It's updating, as you can see in the corner here, 15 to 20. But it's not reflecting that here. Yeah, let's go, team. 20. 25. What are the bugs we're getting? All the errors. Summoner, node not found. That's fine. Get viewport, set local scene to pass, set viewport. Okay, none of those are useful for what we need. So why? It's changing the value. That's the thing. And it's showing that the value changes. This is very odd. Upgrade window control. Let's go back to our base stats here. We are printing this. So our why is our value not being set though? To our level scale level. Let's print value instead. Print value. Maybe it's not printing the value. What is this sound? Oh my. There we go. All them ads. All the ads. All we gotta do is figure it out for one. 15, 20. Okay. The value is updating. The value is updating. But the current value changed is not happening. Current value changed emit. So we go to the stats panel here. Stats.attack_range.current value changed.connect set labels. We're setting we set the labels. In the range label, we do vbox range label.text range, and then we also put in the string player, which is the character body 3D, dot stats dot attack range dot value. So it should be updating our value, but it is not. So what if we do it like make it a this and do player not in current scope, game manager dot player. That's just gonna take the script though. That's not gonna take the actual stats of the player, I don't think. Yeah, no. That didn't work either. So why are you not... Why do you hate us, game? Why do you hate us? Did you read the errors? Yeah. Yeah, it was because the callable was null, or the function was null. So what if we do this? We're gonna do func test label with no parameter. Actually, we're gonna need a player parameter for it. We'll grab this line, copy it, hop back over, paste it, and we're gonna have to do player as character body 3D. So now we should do test label. Test label. Save. And that's a callable. So we hit play. It updated to 15. What if we manually shoot it up to 15? No, 20, 25. But it's still not updating. There must be a way in GDScript to throw an exception. There is. You can force things to happen. And then you can, I forgot how to force things, but you can force things to happen. I don't know what.
It's Jimmy John's new Mediterranean wrap.
What is happening here?
Hummus and feta cheese, so you can enjoy.
Test label. Let's just delete this. Get rid of it. That did not work. Maybe we're connecting it wrong. You know what? Let's do this. Let's actually we'll do this. Func test. Test func. Player as character body 3D. And what this is gonna do is it's just gonna print stats dot attack range dot value. And then here, test func. And then we come back down here. Or not down there, sorry. We go to our button. Not our button. Go to our stats panel. Where did we print this? What is going on? Base stats. And we're going to delete this. And now we're seeing if the function's even going to work. Because maybe that's the issue. Is that the function itself isn't. Or the signal. Yeah, the signal's not signaling whenever it changes. That's the issue. Because see how it's not printing anything? So this right here, set new value, is not setting. Of course, it's not signaling if you're passing null. But we're not passing anything null. Or else it would say that. Right? Are you passing a value? Yeah, this is the value we should be or... Wait. So, when it changes... So first off, we press the button. We press the button, and it does level up. Wait. Yeah, it does level up. And then what level up does is it will set the value to the new level based on our level scale. So it's an array. Basically, we know this part works because we printed it. So it will set the value from 10 to 15 or something like that. And then we add 1 to the level because that's the location in the array. that works. But it's not noticing that this is changed, that this is occurring over here. And because that's not it's not noticing a change, it's not firing. And because it's not firing, it's not running the print. So why is it not firing? That is the question. Do we need to do for the upgrade button? Do we need to specify which stat is using the level up? Attack range is doing level up? I didn't think we did though, because when we did this, we were able to print that the stat was upgrading. Resource based stat. Attack range. It's now saying attack range isn't on base stats? Oh, character stats. Sorry. Character stats. So wait a sec. Stats means it's doing the base stats. Yeah, so wait, no. This was right. Stats.level up. When you connect the signal, are we passing a value? So it can't get index. But it shouldn't even need it because we're just passing the base stat, which is this. This is our base stat. And then in our character stats, we have it all referencing our base stat resource, or as our base stat resource. So if we do what? If we do export var char stat as character stats, and then do on button, we do char stat dot attack range dot level up. But that's gonna make us need a bajillion different buttons, which is not okay. Not what we're trying to do here. That's just the dictionary size. Base stat, character stats empty, add a new one. Then we come over here, we have to add an attack range. Let me go over here. Howdy, Georgester. Howdy. Welcome to Struggle Town. Population, me. Invalid index 1. Oh, because I didn't set a... Yeah, this is not the way to do it, though. I think it will work. It will work, but it won't work the way we want it to. We'll do 5, 10, add one more, 15. Upgrade cost, we'll just leave that as is, because that doesn't quite matter. What is this sound? There we go. Get out of here. Dang ads, my favorite place. Yeah, something like that. I don't know if it's my favorite. It's definitely a fun adventure, that's for sure. Invalid index, get 1. Invalid index 1 on array float. Go to our upgrade button. Our array has an index of 1. What? This isn't the way to do it anyways, though. It has to be stats dot level up. It has to be. Delete this. Save. Maybe it is level up level. Not declared in current scope. Let's go back to base stats, level up. Level. Stop playing. Save. Okay. Play. Oh, what is this? Level up call, expected one. Oh, level. We're gonna have to change a couple of these. It's just this one and the attack range one, yeah. Level. Level not declared in current scope. That didn't work either. Need to add level arguments in the function. That's what we're doing. Like in the base function itself, it has a level argument now. Which it shouldn't. I don't think it's supposed to have an argument here. Because level is its own variable. Not level to function, sorry. Wait, what? Delete this. Level up should just add +1 to our level and then give us our stats. And we gotta hop back to the upgrade button. Get rid of that. Unless we're doing something like what event here? Level up event, but that doesn't make sense. Right. Tricky. That's why you can't use level in here. Scope. The thing is, it works. Like using level here works. Like if we hit play, you'll see that it increases the level each time we cheat. So the cheat should go to 10 now, 15, 20, 20. Oh, and then it breaks because I only have it scaling up so much. That works. It's leveling it up, following our array. But it's still not and it's clearly updating the value on... It's clearly updating the value, or else we wouldn't be zooming out. But for some reason, this isn't noticing that it's being changed when we do it from the upgrade window. No, not the upgrade window control. The do it from the stats panel. Yeah. from the stats panel here, it's not noticing when we do it. So why? Delete all this. Delete this timer. Is value in scope? Yes. Value is in the base stats right here. And it's updating the, when we cheat, so when we do the cheats, enable cheats, it's updating. It's going through all of our labels, filtering it by whichever one we clicked, and only upgrading that one. So that's clearly, that's working.
Wrong turn.
It's not doing it on when we press the upgrade window. When we press this upgrade button. When we press the upgrade button, stats.level up on press. So let's go back to the cheats, and we have, that's just enable cheats. And then on mouse put, where's our on input? Here on GUI events. So when we click the label, we are just setting this. Or technically we're setting this one. So what if we put this in our upgrade button as well? But the upgrade button's still not updating the actual value here. Yeah. On resource-based stats. Base stat. Do we not have a stat for it? Base stats. Level 0. Oh, maybe we don't need, because it's base stats in this. Save. Play. Text on null instance. Type string. So it's not seeing now get stats VBox because it needs to be branched out. Oh, because it's in a separate scene. Oh, crap. Okay. But that should be fine because it's getting a parent. Time to refactor. I mean, that's kind of what we're doing. We're just trying to figure out how. What? Why? Go to the player UI. And here's the range label that needs to update. This is our button here. And we're doing get VBox. Wait, what is stats VBox? All the way up. So we need to extend it out even more, that's why. Can't just get the stats VBox, we have to get the slash, or we have to get the slide out menu slash slide out arrow slash stats VBox slash range label. Now try it. Yo, Irad, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to Struggle Town. I've been welcoming everyone here. Oh man. Null instance. Text is on null instance. So it doesn't like our range label either. Oh, LT. What are you doing? Oh, we're dying today. LT, calm yourself. How many? Oh. LT, we're trying to recover right now, not get sick even more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Five. Just need to give you energy. That's not giving me energy. That's taking it away. Commit. Oh, I don't even have GitHub open. Oh, I'm dizzy. My head hurts. Listen, today I am very, very sick. I think I'm sick. Or I'm getting sick. Or something. Because I have... Oh. LT, this is... You do realize this is hurting me, right? This is hurting me. And reverse keyboard. Oh. Why do you hate me so much today? I thought we had something special. I thought we had something special, but no. I was wrong. You hate me. Oh. And this dang camera. Blech. This dang camera. Every time I have to unplug it, plug it back in. There we go. He wants to make sure you get gains. Right, but there's something called a recovery stage. And we need to recover because we don't have the battery power today. Oh. What is recovery? It's the thing that you've been doing your whole life. Only recovery. Never anything else. Yeah, that was a dig. Sounds like an excuse. No. Dang, roasted. But you're the sick one? Well, I don't even know if I'm sick. It's just like my battery. Like, if I have a battery, or everyone has like a battery, and it's like how much of your capabilities you can reach. I'm at like 70% or something today. Something absurd. So I can, like, my max output is only 70% of what I'm actually capable of. Maybe even lower today, honestly. That run got me dizzy. Give him some energy. Bushmed already did that. Already did that. We need all the energy. Alright, so what we need to do is slash time O, where's U? UT space L, where's the L? LT, where's the C, O, N, Q, U, E, R, slash timeout lieutenant. Oh, that was a J, not an R. Wait. Slash timeout LT conc. Oh gosh. Where's the R? R. Space. I need a number, team. 30-minute walk. So we'll do 30. That's what we'll do. 301? Okay. Okay, I guess this... Shift. Oof. Uh-oh. The force is too strong, he says.